against a gravitational field. And the last part which we have proved, we'll just recollect what we learned in the last class. We have seen due to a solid sphere, and radius r. What is the intensity inside? They agree with this?
Yes, sir.
I out is what we learned, no?
Yes, sir.
Agreed. Then the other thing is understood this? Clear?
Clear,
See,
sir.
usually if they are repulsive, understood this?
Yes.
The convention we follow is positive field for gravitational force must be positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
1 minute. 1 minute.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
I bar is F bar by M, no?
Yes, sir.
Followed this.
Followed, sir.
Return this.
Yes, sir.
Now, what we discussed again is the gravitational field can be expressed as in the characterized by using intensity, or another name is there. Another thing is there. What is it? Can you tell?
So that gravitational potential.
Potential. Okay. So here we shall see what is actually gravitational potential. Before we go to this, let us take a simple situation wherein is the mass m. So this piece produces, okay.
Yes, sir.
Now in this, now in this field, I want to move. So this is one point. This is one point. Okay. So this is the initial point. So this is I. This is F. Okay. Or 1, 2. Now you have to move its mass m from here to here. I am moving a mass from here to here. Now you can see gravitational force is a constant force or a variable force.
The constant force.
Constant force.
Sorry, sir. Wait.
The radius changes.
Distance is
It
changing,
is
sir.
a variable force because you can see that as exchanges, that will change or not.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the force on that you need is G mm by x square. Okay, follow this.
Followed, sir.
This is the gravitational force. Great. Now, because a variable force, no,
Variable, sir. Variable.
if you can recollect, work done by a variable force is nothing but F.
Force.
Remember this.
Yes, sir. Yes.
This is nothing but, this
GMM
is
by
left side. Displacement is also dx cos 0. Any doubt is there in this?
No doubt, sir. Clear.
No error also, no?
No, sir.
Hopeless fellows. X is decreasing, so you should take a negative sign. Okay, as you're displacing, what is happening? Negative sign minus dx is taken
As a
since, see, initially it is x, finally x minus dx. It comes nearer now. So, what
yes.
is dx, man? X,
Negative.
hopeless fellows, what calculus you completed?
Same, sir.
Note on this.
Yes, sir.
If this negative sign is not taken, a whole derivation will go. Now here x is initially what? I'll take it as R1. Okay. So this is, and x is R2. Okay. Where R1
So in this,
initial,
so in this equation, isn't x is equals to x initial minus x final because dx is going there minus dx
pardon,
plus dx. So
always
x initial
delta,
minus x.
try to
X,
understand, man. Delta means final minus initial.
okay, sir.
If I say change in x, then it may be anyway xf minus xa or xm. This is delta by definition now. Remember your differentiation. What is dx? Final minus delta x you have
Yes,
taken now earlier.
yes, sir.
What is the definition?
X
Delta x
final
is
minus
equals to
initial.
x final minus x.
There is no doubt in that. You should not change that. No definition is that what we can do.
Yes, sir.
This negative sign indicates that x is decreasing. That's all.
Yes, sir.
See, final minus initial is negative. What does that mean? X final minus x initial is less than 0. That means finally that indicates it is decreasing. No? If it
Yes,
is
sir.
positive, it is increasing. Understood this? Now,
Okay.
this is nothing but this is x power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. No?
Yes, sir.
So, this is nothing but gmm by 1 by x. X is equal to R1 to x equals R2. So what is that you get? This negative will go, 1 by R2 minus 1 by R1. Follow this?
Followed, sir. Followed.
Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completely.
Gravitation force should be negative, not sir. Then why are we getting positive?
I have already given the direction. No, again, why magnitude you should take, man? It is negative. It's not negative, huh? What did
Negative,
this
sir.
say? Negative only, no?
Negative,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Again, why you should take negative? If you take negative, positive, that means it will be repulsive, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's negative.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completely.
Yes, sir. Completely, sir.
So work done. This is what you got here.
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Understood, sir.
See, remember that if slowly means what is the meaning?
Uh,
Whenever you say slowly, what is the meaning?
sir, sir. Delta T is very high. Delta T is very high.
Hopeless fellows. Acceleration is slowly means it takes long time. So
Yes, sir.
this will be delta V by long time. What is that? Zero.
Zero.
That is the
Okay.
meaning of this. I told you many times, you're forgetting.
Yes, sir. You are correct.
Slowly. Slowly means this. That means acceleration is zero.
Yes,
That
sir.
means here there is a gravitational force. To oppose this, we should apply an external force, no?
Yes, sir. Sure. Sure.
So Fg must be equal to external force. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Now if I multiply this by delta R both sides, I can do this operation, no? Same operation both sides. This is work done by gravity is minus of work done by external force. Understood this?
Understood.
Therefore, work done to move a mass from R1 to R2 by external force is minus of work done to move it by what? Gravitational force.
Yes,
That is nothing but minus GMM by 1 by R2 minus 1 by R1. Understood this? This is
yes,
nothing clear or not?
yes, sir.
Yes.
Finished?
Yes, sir. Complete.
Right. Now we have seen that work done to move from R1 to R2, this initial final, by gravitational force is R1 to R2 by external force. And you know that R1 to R2 by gravitational force is GMM. Followed this? Now suppose we are doing what is the work done? This is mass m. Okay. Now see how our body is assembled. How can you tell? Actually, our body consists of several particles. No,
Yes, sir.
it
Several
was
parts.
assembled in a particular manner. Okay. Followed on it. Why was it was at why we are not every particle attracts another particle? We should become point mass. No. Why we are not becoming point masses? Our head should be attracted by the toes and together we should become a point mass. Why we are having this shape?
Because every particles attract no, sir. So
And that's
there,
what every particle attracts means. That's what together it should be lump only, no?
Internal forces, sir.
Huh?
External forces also do
Internal
work,
forces.
sir.
Pardon, pardon? Hello?
External forces also do work.
Who is holding you, man? Anybody are holding, huh? Your skin? Every
Internal
time
forces,
anybody are
they
holding
won't
you
act now,
back.
sir.
Pardon?
Internal forces won't act now, sir.
External?
Internal forces are there, so they won't
Whatever it is internal force, man, they should be attracting, no? Did I say internal forces won't attract? Huh? Anywhere did I tell?
no, sir.
Hopeless,
Sir,
you use your common sense going into engineering. See, you have seen that at one Fermi, there are on new forces that will come. What are those?
this
Molecular.
electrostatic forces.
Repulsive forces.
Okay.
That due to which only nucleons are held together by understood.
Yes,
Sorry,
sir.
protons are held together. Otherwise, protons should fly away. No.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, at a distance of one Fermi, what will happen is around 10 power minus 10 meters, there will be new forces called repulsive forces. These forces are stronger. So when the particles are coming nearer and nearer, those forces will set into operation. Therefore, a body takes a particular shape. Okay, anyhow, to assemble a body, we should bring the particles together. Okay, now suppose this is M. I want to assemble a particle here. That means I want to keep these together at a distance of separation. For this, there should be an agency, we'll do that work done by external agency. Initially, the separation is infinite. That means I can say that work done to bring a particle of mass m by external force. This is the work done by external force to move a particle from some reference point. Usually at infinity. See, at infinity there is no gravitational force, no? At infinite distance, what is the gravitational force? G m1 m2 by infinite square, what it will be?
Zero.
Zero.
So,
So from there, external force has to bring this. Okay? E is nothing but what you got here? Minus gmm 1 by, say distance is r. Okay, r minus 1 by infinity, no?
yes, sir.
This
Yes,
is
Yes,
sir.
what you got or not?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Got it.
Minus gmm by r. Any doubt is
Yes, sir.
there?
No doubts.
No,
Yeah.
no, no,
So
sir.
here the work done for to bring mass Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Agree.
sir.
So to move unit mass,
So this is capital number.
what is this?
This is capital number. Yeah. Yes,
This
sir.
is what we call it as the potential at point A. Understood this? Clear?
Yes, clear, sir.
That means external force is doing work to assemble two masses. What is the meaning of doing work?
The sun is displacing it.
Doing work means supplying energy. See, think
Okay.
in a practical way, man. Don't give definition. Definitions are needed for communications. In reality, what is that? You are doing work means some energy is being supplied, no?
Yes,
Agreed.
sir.
I am doing work on one system. So those I am throwing ball. Means I am doing work. That means I am supplying energy to the ball, due to which it is moving, no?
Yes, sir.
So you are assembling two masses means some work is done. That means that work is supplied to the system. Understood
Yes,
this? So
understood.
this supplied energy must be stored in the system only, no?
Yes, sir.
Now, when energy is stored in a system, it has the capacity or the potential to do energy or to give out work later, no?
Yes,
The
sir.
system has energy to give out, sorry, has the capacity to give out energy. That means it has a potential. For example, we say Narendra Modi is a potential person. What is the meaning of potential?
Yes, he has something.
He has
Has
done some
capacity to
work.
do so.
He has done some work to sit in the prime minister chair. So that seat is having the potential to do work of any kind. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Potential means that only is a highly potential person means he can get things done. Agreed. So the potential at a point is nothing but work done to move a particle of mass and slowly from initial infinite separation to this. Understood this? Clear?
Yes, clear, sir.
Even we are also born in the same manner. You can see our birth actually from a microscopic entity. Okay, due to some process, all are assembled in the womb of a female. Okay, the fetus starts developing. That means some work is done by the female to assemble that. Okay, so the reason after that, that means the female is supplying energy. Understood this? That energy is what is it called?
Sure.
That also we don't know. Idiots, enthalpy. Chemistry didn't study. Enthalpy as a system means the minimum energy a system should possess for its survival. So that is the reason why soon after a baby is born, first thing what they do is they'll they'll be what is that sprinkling warm water on the baby. You observe or not? You listen the cry. When it cries means it is responding. Okay, certain babies won't cry, some babies. So pediatrics will come and check up that. Okay, this is the test for that. That means he's responding means he has come out with some minimum internal energy. The enthalpy of the system is good enough. Understood it? Some
Yes,
people won't respond. That means enthalpy is very less. Therefore, they'll be kept in incubators for further energy. Understood this? Clear?
yes,
So here, any system to be assembled, some work has to be done by the external agency to assemble them. That work is stored as energy within the system. The energy for assembling a unit mass is what we call it as potential. Understood this?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Why I'm telling is this is highly useful in second year. There's a linkage chapter called electrostatic.
Yes,
So
sir.
one whole section is there, current electricity. They're very big and almost for 5 6 months we study that only. So people who are not aware or thorough with this chapter, they find difficult. Of course, difficulty means for the person who wants to study, they will be difficult. They don't want to study, what will do? Pankaj Shah will have an attitude to learn electrostatics. So they won't be trouble for him. I'm saying about the people, serious aspirants. If you don't understand this concept, you'll find difficulty over there. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Complete.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Clear, sir.
So I can say that to move mass m
work done by external force on M. Yes, sir.
that is the reason why each one of us are more attached or connected emotionally with our mother than with father. Because the total we are part like our hand or leg. We are also part in our womb. We were cut and separated. That's why she always tries for us. Okay, so remember
Yes.
that there is a one person for a upliftment. Think of her every moment and study. Don't be heroes and neglect studies. Tomorrow she feels a lot. Repay what she has given. She has given her health, everything for your upliftment to some points.
Yes, sir.
Till you go into an excellent job, behave like a school student. Man. How you used to behave in schools, regularly used to go to school, do the homework, how disciplined you used to be. College comes, behavior changed. Results also will change accordingly, proportional to the student's behavior. Okay, note down till here. Okay, so
Noted,
this,
sir. Yes.
this is only, I can call this as, can I write like this? By gravitation, because they're opposite only, no?
Uh,
Yes, sir.
Opposite, sir. Opposite.
Just now we proved this, remember?
Yes, sir. Work done by
External
gravitation.
and this is negative, no? So this
Yes.
is defined, understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Right. So I can define as at a point is defined as the negative work done by whom?
Work
External.
done by external force.
In shifting unit mass.
From infinity position to
Initially, the body is at rest now.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And at infinity to some point A.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Followed this?
Followed, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, shall I go further?
Yes,
What is the potential at a point A we need?
sir. Yes. Minus GMM
Work done by whom?
external force.
External force
Mm, by F.
by unit mass.
F. F external to
Work done by
minus work done.
right here, right? By external force, that is minus of
Well done
by
by
whom?
Gravitation
Gravitational force. This is
degree F x
gravitational force.
dx.
dr by m. Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Agree, sir. Agree.
Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir. Clear.
So return this.
Yes, sir. Completed.
What is actually I dot dr? Cos theta, no?
Yes, sir. Cos theta. Yes. I bar and dr.
Gravitational force, no?
Yes, sir.
They agree with this or not?
Agree, sir. Agree, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Density and gravitational force same direction.
So can I write like this?
Yes, sir. We can write.
Because integral dv is nothing but v only, no?
Yes, sir.
Now if you differentiate, integral will go, no?
Yes, sir. We agree.
We agree with this?
Agree, sir.
Can you tell what is this? Negative sign means
Rate of change of
potential
will decrease with respect to displacement. With respect to
r, whatever it is. Agreed.
Yes,
agree,
sir.
sir.
Agreed, sir.
Any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir. Clear.
Now this will be cos theta is maximum, no?
Theta is equal to 0.
That means I can say that therefore they agree with this. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir. Clear.
No, no,
Shall I turn this?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Please.
1 minute.
Yes, sir. Complete.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, completed, sir.
One
Now
minute.
suppose, pardon?
1 minute. Thank you, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you have seen minus dv by dr is what?
Cos theta.
Theta. So if what will happen?
Sir, dv by dr is equal to 0. V does not change with respect to r. Yes.
In gravitational potential. Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Suppose this is the direction of I, for example. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
if you move like this, what will happen? Potential.
Sir, potential is negative. So, so
Do you agree with this?
agree, sir. Opposite direction. So, correct.
No.
Sir,
2 to 1 no, decreases. In the direction of field decreases, no?
yes, sir. So,
1 to 2 potential.
increase. Increase.
Okay. On the other hand, what happens to this?
0 means does not change.
Constant. Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Sir, 1 minute, sir, please.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Done, sir.
Done.
See, this is what we got now. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
So V2, so this plus
Correct or
plus,
no?
so V2 minus V1. Okay.
Check up.
Okay. Yes, sir. This is correct, sir.
Hmm?
Sorry, sir. V2 minus V1. Sir. Final minus V2. Sir, V2 minus V1 is minus work done from 1 to 2.
No, this is gravity work, man.
Uh, yes, sir.
Is it correct? Check up once again. Work done to move a point from this 1 to 2. What is that you got? Is it correct or not?
Sir.
Any error is there?
Sir.
Check up your notebook, man.
Yes, sir. Checking, sir.
This is correct only.
Yes.
External force is it wrong? See,
Sir. So, wrong, no, sir.
one second, wait. Before telling wrong, no, sir, we have to prove, man.
Yes, sir.
Don't write anything, wait.
Didn't write, sir.
What is that we got earlier? Work done by which force?
Gravitation forces minus GMM minus
This is what we got now. By definition,
sir, this is what we got. Yes, sir.
this is what we got. See, what we have done is work done by to move from R1 to R2 by gravitational force Now we have taken this is infinity to a point R. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Agree?
one doubt, sir. 1
Okay.
R2 minus 1 by R1, sir. This first one. Yes, sir. Down. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Infinity, sir. Infinity. Sir, infinity. Yes.
One small mistake goes, whole problem will go. So this is.
Yes.
Do you agree with this? Now
Agree, sir.
potential at a distance R is that is nothing but this is what you got now.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Clear, sir. Clear.
So that means this definition is correct only, no?
Correct, only, sir. Correct. Only.
So I can say that work done to point A to B. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir. We can write. Sir,
R2 minus R1, second minus first, correct only, no?
sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Correct, sir. Correct, sir. My mistake. My mistake.
Understood this?
Understood, sir. Yeah.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. Agree, sir.
Any error is there?
No error, sir. Correct, only,
Is
sir.
it clear till here? See?
Clear, sir.
All of you follow till here? Any doubt is there? See. Go to the base definition, you'll get everything.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir. Clear.
Now, if you are not strong here, next one whole sections, 5 months, you'll have torture. Try to understand this. Now you'll enjoy if you leave this. Actually, for first years, all this you leave usually. But because of online classes, we are able to do something.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Please, sir. 1 minute.
One second, one. Any mistake you have done? Correct or no? I have
No,
taken minus here. Minus means one minus comes here now.
sir.
Sir,
We
1
Like
minus
1
RA
by RA
minus
minus 1 by RB.
R
1 by RA
minus R.
minus
Okay, okay, okay. Right, right, right.
Correct, sir. Correct. Completed, sir. Yes.
So what is that in the last third line, sir? Minus of minus dm by r.
Hmm. I can write like this, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir. We can write it.
ठीक है.
Followed. Now you know gravitational force is conservative force, no? You can write
Sir.
like this, no?
Yes.
Remember this?
Number, sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir. Remember.
Remember, sir. Remember.
What is this? Final delta means final minus initial, no?
Yes, sir. Final analysis.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. Agree, sir.
Agree?
Agree, sir.
Any doubt is that till here?
No doubt, sir. Clear.
Will I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Completed?
Completed, sir.
1 minute, sir. Completed.
So this is nothing but at any point, see you have, I can say that u by m is nothing by v, no? Agreed? So I can
Agree.
say that do you agree with this?
Agree, sir. Agree.
Followed this?
Followed, sir.
Is it clear?
That is clear, sir.
So what we learned, see, we have learned that work done by gravity is how much?
Sir, GMM 1 by R2 minus 1 by
And the second thing we learned is
uh, external force minus work done by R1 to R2 by gravitational force.
okay.
Yes, sir.
The third one we have learned is
Work, so, sir. Index.
okay. Then
No, sir. I cos theta, sir. I cos theta.
this is maximum. Whenever we are taking this is
Max.
maximum decrease, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that
Sir,
means
Yes, sir. As we move perpendicular to
Understood this?
understood, sir.
Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
And the other thing you have learned is potential at a point is potential energy per unit mass.
Yes, sir.
Agreed?
Agreed, sir.
Clear?
Clear, sir. Clear.
Next one you learned is minus of work done by whom?
Gravity
Gravity
is equal to potential. So is equal to
is
potential.
nothing but
Gm by
the potential at R2
RTS.
minus potential. Do you agree with this? This is what
Yes.
you got now.
Yes, sir. Clear. Forgot this to clear.
This is what we got now all these days.
Yes, sir. This is what we got. Remember, sir. Remember.
Is it clear? So we'll be asking find the work done by gravitational force, find the work done by external force. Take care of the signs.
Yes, sir. You take care, sir. Yes, sir.
Till here you followed?
Followed, sir.
Any doubts are there?
No doubt, sir.
So we'll do the numerical part in the next class. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Right, right. Take care. Bye.
So 1 minute, sir. The remaining to write. 1 minute.
Sir, 2:30 to 3:30 only, no, sir, today also?
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay,
Okay, sir.
right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Sir, completed, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.